Hey, welcome everybody to this Lean Built video. Today we're going to go over the Lean Built budget and the work that this amazing team has been doing to get this very early budget to our owner and client. So here we have Emilio Robles, we have Nicolás, and we have Yayo. And these guys have been working very hard at this. So thank you guys for this. And we are going to dive into the process that they've been taking. We're going to go into how they're deriving the numbers that they're getting. Nothing too crazy, nothing too trade specific or anything like that, but we just want to paint the overall picture of how this is working and coming together. So, Emilio, this is the budget.
This is the budget. Okay, well, I'm gonna explain a little bit of how the process it is and the process that we follow. The first thing is that we got some information from other projects, to be specific, from other four projects that these are very similar as the one that we are going to be building. These all are multifamiliar, and well, based on that, also, we have the specification of each project. We have the units for each project and also the square feet for each project.
Okay,
Uh,
so hang on
yeah,
just one second. Let me just make sure that I'm understanding and everybody's on the same page. So we took our project, we figured out how big it was, how many units, how many square feet.
yeah.
Then went and did a bunch of market research and got several comparable projects.
Mhm.
We got their budgets that show the same div codes and line items, and then we started to run this analysis. Do I have that right?
Yeah, that's 100% right.
Okay, so and our project is a little bit different, right,
Yes.
than some of these. So we also identified how our project was different and what the different costs might be. So can you walk us through this on the right-hand side here, this comparison to comp one, comp two, comp three, comp four, and some of the percentages and maybe why those percentages are different?
Yes, of course. Well, I can give a quick example that is the easiest one, probably. As the biggest difference with our project is that we have uh, three buildings that are wood frame buildings, and everything is slab of grade. We have no underground parquet here, and this kind of assumptions is the ones that we took into account in order to have these differentiations in the cost, right? Like for instance, our cost of earthworks is not going to be the same as other projects that underground parking, right? And also we have less concrete used, and that's why you can see some difference. For instance, in the concrete, we are using less concrete than the other projects that has underground parquet because we have more area and more cubic yards
Got
of
you.
green.
So
Yeah.
so that's what you guys have been spending a lot of time is going through finding the differences between our projects and then making some assumptions as to how much concrete we'll actually have, how much time that will take, what are the actual conditions we need to have on this project compared to the other projects. And then you can see the percentage difference as well as the dollar amount of difference that we're applying forward to the budget there. Do I got
Yeah.
all that right?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
that's completely right. And you can see all the costs according to the division that we have. So this is easier for us to identify where we have variation and where we should have different numbers here.
Beautiful. Okay, is there anything else that we want to see? Do we want to show off anything else? I think this is the main idea, and I think you've done an awesome job of explaining it. Is there anything deeper that we want to show the people of the world and kind of showcase for them?
Well, probably just a quick note here. After we made the analysis and everything, and well, identify the variation that we have between projects, here we have our final data. There is the cost per square feet that we have also here for all the different projects, and we have the comparison. And well, we know that we are according to the market that our target was $200, and right now with this budget we have 199.
That's beautiful. Okay. Well, I appreciate you running us through that, and I appreciate all the hard work that you guys are doing in this direction to make this project happen and be a reality. So with that, we'll close out the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. On we go.